Hello friend, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to our channel Selim's English. I am Maisha speaking in front of you. Now I want to perform about Mamun's home district. Mamun's home district name is Kishoreganj. It is about 145 kilometers from Dhaka. It is a district headquarters. The district has 8 municipalities, 13 upazilas, 108 unions and 7045 villages. The names Kishoreganj come from an old landlord known as Brajokishore Pramanik or Nandakishore Pramanik. The river Narasunda flows through the town. Kishoreganj is a small town, but there are many important places in and around it, such as Pagla Mosque, Solakia Eid Ground, the Fuleshwari River, Shah Muhammad Mosque, etc. Kishoreganj is also home district of some famous people. There are Chandravati, Upendra Kishore Roy Chaudhuri, Sukumar Roy, Jainul Abedin, and the first acting president of Bangladesh, Soyod Nazrul Islam. Mamun very proud of his home district and he loved his home district very much. That's all my information. Stay with me for the next video. Okay, bye.